Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can import a dataset in pgAdmin 4. Okay, so to do that, first of all, you have to create a database or select the database in which you want to import your dataset. So my database is this one, test. So inside the database, you have to create a table because you cannot import the dataset directly into the database. You need a table in between. So I'll write a query, create table, and then I'll open these parentheses. So inside the parentheses, you have to name all the columns which are present in your dataset. For example, I want to import this table, and here I have 4 columns, right? So I have to mention all of these column names inside the parentheses. So I'm going to say ID, then name, email, and sign up date. Now, after mentioning the column names, I have to assign data types. So data type basically describes the type of a data which a specific column holds. For example, ID column holds integers because inside ID column I only have numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I will assign integer. And then, for example, in sign up date I have dates, and for that reason I'm gonna assign date. For name and email, I will assign varchar 25. Now, if you're not sure which data type you should assign, in that case, you can just upload the file in ChatGPT and then ask him to provide you with data types. Now, let me just add commas here. Now, I also have to name the table, so I will name it test table. And let's run it now. And the table is successfully created. But if I select everything from my table, in that case, as we see, we have the column names, but we don't have any data inside the columns. So in order to import the dataset, we now have to go on the left sidebar, and here we have to refresh first of all, refresh the database. And here in the tables, I have test table, which is my table. I have to right click on it. And here we have import/export data. Alright, so here in file name, you have to provide path to your CSV file. Mine is located in this path. And after doing this, you should go to options and make sure that the header is turned on. And then let's create OK. So process is successfully created. Now let's refresh it again. Great, and now let's run it. And as you see, the CSV file is now imported in pgAdmin 4. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you the second way how we can import the dataset. So I'm still trying to import this dataset. To do this, as I showed in the first method, you have to create a table again, then assign the data types, and then mention the column names. So let me just run this. So I created the table. Okay, now let's select everything. Great, so now we have column names, but the columns are empty. They don't have any data inside. So now for the second method, we have to paste one very important command. The command is like this. Alright, so here now after the copy we have the test table. We have to edit this, and instead of test table we have to mention the name of your table inside which you are trying to import a dataset. For me it's test table. Then you have to paste or mention the path to your CSV file. Here is the path to my CSV file, and you have to paste yours, and that's it. Then I'm gonna copy this, and then I will search for PSQL. Let's click. Okay, so now we're asked to provide server, localhost. You don't have to write anything here, just click enter. Database, now you have to write the name of your database. For me it's test. port. Now for the majority of you, port is 5432, so you don't have to change anything here, you just have to click enter. But for me, port is 5433. And username, just click enter. And now you have to write your password. Then click enter. If you see the name of your database here, that means that now you can paste the query which we copied. So let me paste it. And I'm gonna now click enter. And as you see, it's successfully copied, copy 4. So now let's just refresh the database. And after refreshing it, I will select everything. And as you see, the dataset is imported successfully. So here we have copy 4 because in my dataset I only have 4 rows. Excluding the column names, I only have 4 rows. For that reason, here we have copy 4. And that's it, guys. As you see, now the dataset is imported.